Yeah, so you can see I modded this plan. I'm working on this. Where I'm working on Chief Architect software. And if it's your first time of checking my channel, this is pamidraft.com, where you can have all kind of architectural design, architectural modeling, 3D rendering, wood structures. So here is a floor plan I'm trying to develop. As you can see, the floor plan is already taking some shapes. I am trying to make some replication from something diagram I found online, and I want to see how I can quickly turn this floor plan into a new, maybe into a new section, so I can equally create something different. So here you can see I've modded this now, so I think you can see it's taking some shape. Right now I want to build a floor plan, and he asking me if I should fill this wall. I'm going to fill it right away. So I want to build a second floor. We are going to go to my floor and build a second floor. So I can easily default, maybe I can knife it. Okay, I think it fits. I think for the height, 9 feet should be fine. Maybe since we are doing that a last floor plan, so we're gonna see if we have something nice. So I built a second floor already. I want to highlight this, so I want to see what we have here. So here is what I plan to have, and I want to see how we can configure this floor plan. Maybe I'm trying to see if I can make an arc to this floor plan. Maybe something like this. Let me use this wall. So let me use an interior wall. Maybe that would be better. Oh, I needed some. I want to see if I can, like, maybe have something different in the interior style, or maybe I can go ahead and increase this. I don't know if it's gonna look too much, but sorry, this is what I intend doing here. But okay, so let me have this wall here. That's what I want to have some angle here. I want some angle here. So I'm going to draw the floor plan, and I'm going to have some shape here. And I will also come here. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, pamidraft.com, where I offer you all kind of architectural modeling, architectural design in Chief Architect. So you can see I am having some shape here. I just want to make something nice or something different. I think that is gonna help. So I'm gonna call that there. I want to have a clearance here. Maybe having a base clearance here. And lastly, I cannot see what this floor plan is look like. Okay, 25 feet, I think. Try to raise it up a bit, maybe 24, because I want to have a clearance here, maybe something, an opening, or maybe a door here. So this is what I feel I should do. So I'm gonna I'm going to have a space here. Maybe not quite directly, but it should be something here, like a small, maybe a small bedroom. I was thinking of having a small bedroom here. Maybe let me, okay, maybe I can just, or rather, maybe I can adjust back here. While I just, let me shift this back here. Maybe this will be finer. Okay. Then maybe I'll have my top here. I would like to, maybe I'll have a top here. I just want to have some, this type of top, or just a normal top, a normal button up here. Like exactly what I don't want something, I don't want it to be too, because I want to have an entrance here. So if I have a button here, okay, yes, I am going to, yes, if I have a button here, I think I should have some toilet somewhere. Maybe I want to plan to place some somewhere here, or maybe having a small sink here. Maybe just a small toilet here. Maybe sink here. Well, I was supposed to place it on a cabinet, but I want to. Let me see if I can. Okay. Or maybe okay, I can reduce this size. All you want to do is go to draw the X. You press hold X to reduce or to scale on Chief Architect. So let's say I have something like this. I'm going to have a loft here somewhere. I want to have a loft here, like a loft area. Something I can. I want to have a loft area here. So with this, you can see how we model with the Chief Architect software. When you visit PamiDraft.com, so I'm trying to have a second view. Don't forget I have my stair here, which I stay here. I want it to be somehow clear. Then I also have a wall here, just to ensure that I have a space for my stair, which I'm going to name open below. But I don't want to indicate that in writing, but it should know, it shows that there is a stair here. So from this floor, I want to model some, maybe a small closet here, like maybe having a small closet. I don't know how we can, I feel it's possible to have a small closet here. Maybe just here, then we can have an opening here, like an opening, like a door. Maybe a small opening. Yeah, just something like this. Can select as closet. You can make it as unclosed here. Oh, we can make it and close it here. Yeah. We make it closet here. Come on, color the hiba one. We make closet here. Then I have a storage here. I want to plan a storage here, like somewhere here. Maybe here. Okay, yeah, I think it's quite it's quite okay. I have a closet here already, so I can have an opening here. So let me see. So I can have an opening here. I'm just trying to initiate something different, you know. Maybe something different here. Something that we can something I can do like this. Then we can I'm going to have one deleted here. So we have one. Close it here. So like a bedroom too, but like unlike a master bedroom. That is what I plan to do here, but I want to shift this back here. Okay, so I'm gonna so I have done something here. Maybe here. Like I want to have a kind of bedroom here. A kind of bedroom here. Then when you move it here, you're gonna space what's there. So you can see, so probably we have created some floor plan here. So if you open this, you'll see how what we have here. This on an excavated area. I might want to maybe probably create a kind of I probably want to create maybe something, a deck area or a porch area. That is what I plan. Just like a deck or a porch area. But first, let's add window here to see if we align with our initial floor plan. So this is, I just want to see if we are having kind of window. So I like these windows to have some height. I don't know if I maybe 60 watts. Okay, sorry. That was width. Like adjusting the height to 60 just to see what we have. Then the height maybe 60 to see. Like if we can get some clearance here, okay, which is gonna help. But even at that, okay, we can go up. So if we go up, our floor to top we made in A3, copied it. Just want to see how the height, submit. We can make it just like that. I'll copy that to also make it identical. So just to make it identical, and copy the floor to top, copy that. Now I'm going to place it here. So they can be something relevant. See? So let me complete this one. I'll complete this one as well. I want to ensure they are possibly in the same length and the same ground. That's what I'm trying to do. So on the ground level, I have something else. This is the color, and this is the fireplace. You can see I have my kitchen here. I have my kitchen, so you can actually walk in. When you're walking from here, you can walk in from back here, and also you can walk in here. I'm going to fix a door here. Maybe one side of this should probably have a door. One side of this probably have a door. So next, I will want to build. I want it to have a basement. So this deck is going to give us some height. So we'll be having a basement. That is how we will see the height of the deck. We will have a basement here. So in the next tutorial, that is what I'll be showing you. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, femidraft.com, and let me know in the comment section if you have any question concerning this plan and what you have seen using Chief Architect so far. I believe you saw when I did this window, I changed the color of the windows, so you can change the color here. When you adjust, you can adjust and change the color. So this is how I modeled the plan. This is the entrance to the next floor. The next floor, like when you're coming from here, you're coming from the door here, you go upstairs. This is the rear of this building, the north elevation. This is my north elevation. I'm going to make this the front elevation. So make sure you subscribe so that when I come for the next tutorial, you'll see how I modded the next chapter.